Hey guys, it's Rishti Patil and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At first, I would like to apologize that telling that from past 2 months I haven't recorded any of the videos or I haven't posted any of the videos due to my semester exams. So, no worries, I'll be posting the videos regularly from now on. So, let's begin with our session. So in our previous video, we had learnt about and we have almost completed with the SQL injection as a beginner. So in this video, I had planned to teach you the another tool called as cross-site accesses. But to know the cross-site accesses, you should have some basic knowledge of JavaScript. And to get a good knowledge of JavaScript, you should be a bit familiar with HTML and CSS codes. Then you can be easily understanding the JavaScript code. So I have started a new category called as languages, where I'll be posting all the languages which are required to learn as a cybersecurity as a beginner level or an intermediate level. So let's get started with our HTML video now. So first question is, what is HTML? HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language, and HTML is a standard markup language which creates the web page. Let me show you an example. Open your any of your favorite browser. Let me open my Firefox here. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, I have opened my favorite browser here. Now here click here, the right click and view. Just click on view page source, and you can see the HTML code right here. HTML codes are written here. Or else, let me go to my favorite website where I started learning my basic languages which I wanted to know, that is WB3 School. This is the best learning website here. And here right click once again and go to the view source. This is the best example to show you how HTML, CSS and JavaScript is compiled. Not only this, every website you see is the combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. See, you can see here the HTML codes, right? Yeah, here it starts with the HTML links, and here you can even see the JavaScript, right? It started with the JavaScript, and there is a end of script, right? It starts with script and ends with script. And here you can also see the CSS. Let me search here, I might get any CSS content. Yeah, here see, we can have the style here. The style specifies the CSS content, right? The CSS is written here in the form of style, head style, and anything. Like, let me give an example like how this HTML source code is formed. Like here in the title, they have told that we have should write the specified content as HTML tutor. So we get here the HTML tutor as the heading, and so on. The contents are written as per the page is displayed. The same way, it is told that it is the standard markup language which is used for creating the web page. HTML describes the structure of the web page. As you have seen that the heading should be an HTML source page, right? See, as we have seen here, like uh, the source page should be with the first we have to get that HTML tutor itself. Yeah. Next we are getting key key and the descriptors and so on. It is just written, and the page whatever you just write in the HTML code, the same way the page will be displayed for you. So it HTML describes the structure of the web page. HTML contains the series of elements. Like elements can be uh, HTML elements can be any of the form, like heading or a paragraph or a link or a reference or anything. It might be any of the elements. And HTML elements tell the browser how to display the, as per you display the elements, the browser will be displaying the page as per you write the code. Let me tell you what are these elements are of type. It will be with the starting tag and the ending tag. Always the elements start with the tag name. It might be a title, heading, paragraph, link, list, or any. There are many tags. We will be learning it in the later sessions. So we will be writing first the tag name, then the content in between, and we'll end the tag name. For some example, I'll show you here with the heading that this is a tag name, and the content I want to write is my first heading. This is the content I want to write, and we'll end this tag name. The same way for the para, I'll write the para, my first name as a paragraph, and I'll end this para, that is the tag heading. So as I have written with the heading my first heading, so heading is displayed in the bold letters. Heading will be always with the higher versions or the in the bold form or anything like. Okay, and next I want to display my paragraph. The same way, I'll first display my heading, and next I'll display my paragraph. Okay, with my first paragraph. Now HTML editors. So how can you write your HTML code? So as a beginner, you can start with the HTML. You can start with the Notepad as an editor, as a beginner, and it's the best form of editor. Even I started my journey of HTML in the same way. I started with my writing the codes in the HTML, saving it, and then displaying it. Or else you can even use the VS codes, code pens. I'll be telling about them in the later sessions of my videos. So at the first step, we will be opening our notepad. You can use Windows 7, Windows 8, or any other later versions. You can open the notepad from start and the programs, and you can just open the notepad. Next will write some HTML codes in the notepad, like as we have seen this result of getting a heading and paragraph or any other thing. We'll be writing the same way the HTML, basic HTML code. Like we'll start with the HTML, then body. We'll be writing with the heading, then para, and we'll close the tags. As we have seen that every opening tag should be having a close tag. So HTML body, HTML and body are been opened, HTML body are been, body and HTML are closed. Here header is open, header is closed. Paragraph is open, paragraph is closed. Okay. Then saving of HTML. This is very important while saving the HTML. Whenever you want to save the HTML page, we have to save with .htm extension only. Always remember that we have to save a .htm extension. And while encoding, you have to use it as, we have to set it as UTF-8 only, because which is the preferable encoding for the HTML files. This helps in encoding the HTML files. Remember that first step, save with .htm extension, and next, yeah, for in the encoding session, you save it as UTF-8. Okay, after that you will be viewing your HTML source page in the browser, right? I hope this video was very easy, and you just got the some basic knowledge about HTML, how to save it, and how to, what are the basic HTML formats, editors, and all. So I hope you would like this video. So like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned till my upcoming videos. Have a good day.